Buddhāvataṃsaka, the Flower Ornament Sutra, Chapter 5, the Flower Bank World. Next is a sea of fragrant water called Polar Mountain Treasury of Banners of Fragrance, with a world system called Light Filling Everywhere. Next is a sea of fragrant water called Subtle Light of Sandalwood, with a world system called Wreath of Flower Radiance. Next is a sea of fragrant water called Atmospheric Power Sustaining, with a world system called Banner of Clouds of Aromatic Flames. Next is a sea of fragrant water called Adornments of the Body of the King of Gods, with a world system called Pearl Treasury. Next is a sea of fragrant water called Level and Pure, with a world system called Various Adornments of Lapis Lazuli Dust. There are as many such seas of fragrant water as atoms in unspeakably many Buddha fields. The one closest to the surrounding mountains is called Beautiful Tree Blossoms, having a world system called Producing Vast Lands, composed of the sounds of all Buddhas vanquishing demons. At the bottom of this system is a world called Flaming Torch Banner. Its Buddha is called Ocean of Worldly Virtues. Above this, past as many worlds as atoms in 10 Buddha fields, parallel to the world Diamond Banner, is a world called Producing Jewels. Its Buddha is Jewel Clouds of Invincible Power. Above this, parallel to the world Endurance, is a world called Raiment Banner. Its Buddha is King of the Ocean of Omniscience. At the top of this world system is a world called Jewel Necklace Lion Light. Its Buddha is called Lotus Banner of Skillful Transformation and Emanation. Beyond the sea of fragrant water called Diamond Flame Light is another sea of fragrant water called Banner Brightly Decorated with All Adornments, with a world system called Adorned by Pure Actions. Next to that is a sea of fragrant water called Sea of Radiance of Flowers of All Jewels, with a world system called Adorned by Virtuous Characteristics. Next is a sea of fragrant water called Lotus Blooming, with a world system called Crown Jewels of Enlightening Beings. Next is a sea of fragrant water called Raiment of Exquisite Jewels, with a world system called Pure Pearl Orbs. Next is a sea of fragrant water called Lovely Flowers Illumining Everywhere, with a world system called Radiance of Clouds of 100 Lights.